Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Xfinity, which is really nice provider of TV and all kind of streams, mobile home security services in the US. We can't really start this video without talking about what is Comcast, because this is like a predecessor of Xfinity. So Comcast came into existence in the middle of 1960s. And is operating basically without a change till today. Comcast has over 40% of the broadband market in the United States. And the statistics illustrate the fact that the people find the services of the company to be satisfactory and are loyal to the brand. But what is Xfinity? Xfinity started its journey in 2010. Comcast was merging with NBC, and since it was primarily known for providing internet and TV service, the upper management thought that it was best to launch a new brand in order to avoid the confusion of offering multiple services under the same name, and therefore Xfinity was formed. Xfinity is a brand that is running under Comcast, or parent company, and it's widely known for offering internet and TV services to the people of the United States. Services offered by Comcast were rebranded to Xfinity. For example, Comcast Internet is now known as Xfinity Internet. Comcast TV is now Xfinity TV, etc. There are some services that are still offered under Comcast's name, but the majority of the services are rebranded and are now available under the brand name Xfinity. So you can basically cruise around and find out which ones are which, but since I'm recording this video from Europe, I can't really get to all the brands and also the shop. And you can though check the internet deals. And first, obviously, as in every company or internet company that you want to pick in, you have to write down your zip code to know if you can get served. For example, in internet overview, internet deals, you have to find your street and if you are covered by Xfinity or the Comcast, if you will. It's really nice to know that it's not something that is brand new, but is just rebranded. To sum it up, Xfinity is brand owned by Comcast, and under this brand, services like internet and cable TV are offered to the customers. Comcast is the parent company that runs Xfinity by delivering reliable services to its customers at economical rates. And that's about it for what is Xfinity. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.